Hi, on May 16th, we had a hop called Pay It Forward, which was sponsored by MHK Designs. And it is time to announce the winners of the 2 prizes that were sponsored by MHK Designs. And also for me to announce the winner of the 1 prize, which is a stamp and die set that I am going to be awarding to a U.S. resident, age 18 and older. The first prize, sponsored by MHK Designs, features this beautiful digital stamp set and paper sets. Before I show you who the winner is, I want to say thank you to Min, who is the coordinator of this hop and the sponsor, who designed all the graphics and all the beautiful photos here that you're seeing right now, graphic designs. She made sure that we were all kept on track and that all of our links worked. So it's no small task to organize a hop. And I want to tell Min, thank you and greatly appreciate your expertise. The winners have 1 week from today to claim their prize. And if they do not claim their prize, then a different winner will be picked. And today's date is June 1st, 2020. The winners of prize number 1 and prize number 2 are required to contact Min, and I will have her email listed below in my description box. So, winner number 1 is Sylvia Peister, who commented on Mary Ellen's video. Congratulations, Sylvia Peister. You're the winner of the digital stamp set and the digital paper packs. Again, you have until June 7th to email Min to claim your prize. If you do not do so, a new winner will be selected. I will have Min's email address listed below in my description box. Congratulations, Sylvia Peister. Prize number 2 is a clear stamp set by MHK Designs, plus a paper pack, 2 pink pearl packs, and 2 rhinestone packs. Again, this prize pack is sponsored by MHK Designs. The winner has until June 7th to contact Min, and I will have Min's email listed below. And the winner of this prize pack is Camille Ernst, who commented on Jeannie's video. Camille, you are winner number 2, and you win the stamp set, paper pack, and embellishments. You have until June the 7th to contact Min at the email address listed below in my description box to claim your prize. If you fail to claim your prize, another winner will be picked. Congratulations, Camille. The Pay It Forward hop was a hop where we cased a fellow YouTuber's card, and I cased Jeannie. The winner of my channel will get this card as well as the stamp set and die set from the Stamps of Life. This is the ice cream truck to stamp. So what it features is a real cute ice cream truck, really cute sentiments, really cute little icons that you can use on your ice cream truck. And then the die set, which is really cute as well, it's a cutout of the ice cream truck, and it cuts it out so that you can have the little canopy open and close on this little ice cream truck. And then all those little icons, I mean, you could use those on a card. There's a birthday cake, a cupcake, a flower, popsicle, watermelon slice, candy cane, ice cream cone, and there's also these hearts. So this is a really nice stamp and die set. I just thought there would be probably somebody out there that would get more use out of it than me. Actually, I've never used it. It's never been opened. I just never have, and it came out last summer. So this is my prize. What I've done is I have copied the URL for this YouTube video, which I do by clicking share and copy link. Down here it's copied. It tells me that it's been copied. Then I go over to this random YouTube picker. I'm going to reset it because I had picked a winner before on this, and I want it to be a new set. I was recently in another hop, and the URL was still listed in my iPad, so I had to reset it to the new URL for this contest. It's just resetting itself. It takes a minute. I have very slow internet. If your name is selected, what you'll need to do is contact me by email so that I can get your address and send you your prize. Okay, so we're on random comment picker. I'm going to click on this box where I'm going to paste the URL address of the video. I'm going to click paste. Okay, so there's the address of the video that I created. All right, and then I'm going to click filter duplicate users, because sometimes a person might comment more than once. We really want everybody to have one shot. And then click get YouTube comments. Now this will take a minute. You can see that it is thinking and it's generating. It's going to tell us how many people commented non-duplicative on that video. I want to say thank you to everybody who commented. There were 44 unique commenters, okay? So 44 people are in the drawing to win this prize. And this card, which is a beautiful foiled card. All right, ready? Let's pick a winner. Click this start button. You can see all the names flying by of the 44 people that, and the winner is Create with Squidge Craft. Create with Squidge Craft. And the comment was, gorgeous card. I really want to try the deco gel at some point. I've never foiled through a stencil. What a lovely gift you are offering too. I'm exactly the same. I really struggle to know what to keep and what to edit out. Glad I'm not the only one. I see some of the hop videos are much shorter than mine. It's really interesting. So this is a person who is also on YouTube and who also creates videos. And I think what this person was commenting on was how I said that I never know what to leave in and what to leave out when I'm editing videos. And that's one of the challenges. You don't want it to be too long. You don't want it to be too short. You have to find that sweet spot. So Create with Squidge Craft, you're my winner. In the comment box below, please check, because you'll see my email address. You need to email me at that email address so that I know how to send you your prize. You have until June 7th to get back to me. If I don't hear from you by June 7th, I will pick another winner. So congratulations to Create with Squidge Craft. I hope you enjoy this stamp and die set. Congratulations. Thanks to everybody who commented and liked my video. I'll be having some contests soon because I'm about to hit 1,000 viewers. Once I hit that, I have a ton of stuff I'm going to be giving away. All my crafty friends have been sending me really sweet care packages with new or gently used items, and they are all going to be given away as part of the prize drawings in celebration of 1,000 viewers. Okay, thanks again, everybody, for checking out the channel, and I hope to talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.